Today we're going to show you how to use a voltage meter. First, we're going to turn the power on. Okay. Right now, we're set up on volts. So I will show you how we measure volts. We measure volts by putting the ground in first, as always, and then we put the positive right here. Now right now the switch is off. If you turn the switch on, we get 12 volts. That's what we need. And then we know it's right because right here it says 12 volt DC. Now, if we want to measure resistance, we put it to the ohms setting. And then we put the positive right after the resistor. And then the negative right after. And then it should read 1.1 ohms. Now, if you look here, the light is really dull. It's really dull because the resistor resists a lot of the power. Now, if we take the resistor out of the equation, like so, we have a super bright light bulb because there's no resistance to it. Now, for amperage, you want to turn it to the amperage setting, move the positive coil to the amperage. If you don't do this, it won't show up. You want to disconnect the circuit. Okay. Now, you want to check. Now you safely check it. Now you always want to make sure it's off before you do it, because then you'll blow the fuse inside the voltage meter. So you get the ground and the positive. If I turn it on, it reads our amperage.
Demonstrate multimeter use.
That's our amperage. And that's it.